In this video, I will discuss 13 AI-based side hustles that are accessible to anyone. The focus of this video is to explore AI side hustles that are not only feasible, but also less commonly known. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's delve into the first one, which involves AI editing for YouTube and TikTok. Two faceless channels, the Swedish investor in the investing niche and Top Cars TV in the auto niche, exemplify the potential to earn substantial revenue on YouTube. The Swedish investor likely makes over $50,000 per month, while Top Cars TV possibly generates over $110,000 monthly. Skills required for success in this hustle include strategic thinking for niche selection and topic ideas, as well as proficiency in utilizing AI tools. One key tool for this side hustle is NVIDIA, an AI editing tool that automates various aspects of video creation, including scripts, stock photos, voiceovers, and subtitles. NVIDIA's features include a platform selector for different video types, a script-to-video feature, and options for audience, look and feel, and platform selection. By using NVIDIA, one can efficiently generate videos with prompts and customize them based on preferences. The editing process involves refining generated videos, and NVIDIA offers the flexibility to replace clips, edit scripts, and make adjustments as needed. After settling on the desired outcome, the video can be exported, with the option to choose between the free version with watermarks or the paid version for a cleaner export without watermarks. The potential for earnings on YouTube includes participation in the YouTube Partner Program, which monetizes videos through AdSense, and affiliate marketing, where creators earn a percentage of sales from promoted products or services. The faceless channel approach involves creating content without revealing the creator's identity. With the right strategies and AI tools like NVIDIA, there is substantial potential to succeed in the realm of faceless YouTube channels. Overall, YouTube is considered the best platform for making money, especially when integrating AI into content creation. Considering these factors, I assign this side hustle an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Next on the list is creating pitch decks, as convincing people to invest in your dreams is more challenging than it seems, yet it is a lucrative endeavor. This entails developing compelling presentations to pursued individuals to invest in your company or idea. An example involves a pastor from rural Arkansas who earns $3,000 weekly as a side hustler using ChatGPT to craft pitch decks for startups, resulting in approximately $122,000 monthly. Although it isn't his primary job and he isn't doing it full-time, typical earnings from a pitch deck range between $500 and $11,000 per pitch deck. With enhanced skills, client testimonials, and a successful track record, you have the potential to earn even more. The first step is to familiarize yourself with pitch decks. Study the types of companies that regularly hire for this side hustle. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, and then employ another AI tool called To create a presentation. The key ingredient in creating effective pitch decks is the ability to tell a compelling story, so it's essential to improve your storytelling skills. Build a portfolio showcasing pitch decks for different companies, and promote yourself on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr.com, or Freelancer. Specializing in specific types of companies, such as SaaS B2B or cloud-based SaaS B2B, can enhance your expertise and enable you to charge higher prices. Overall, this opportunity is highly promising, earning an 8.5 opportunity score. Next is overdubbing videos in other languages. Overdubbing involves using AI tools to translate and dub videos into different languages, making them accessible to a global audience. Tools like Waria can be employed for this purpose. A notable example is YouTuber Chris MCCA, who aimed to translate his videos into Spanish. Initially quoted $4,000 by translations.com, he discovered Nova AI, a software that translates and adds subtitles to videos. Nova AI's Pro plan, priced at $18 a month, allows users to translate 300 minutes of footage into 75 different languages. While translations may not be perfect, these AI tools provide an easy way to make content accessible to a wider audience. To start this side hustle, gain access to a tool like Nova AI, choose a specific niche, build a portfolio, and reach out to content creators or businesses in different countries. Emphasize the value of reaching a global audience through multiple languages. Posting on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com, starting with lower percentages to build your reputation, and efficiently handling projects can lead to future work. Despite not being as perfect as professional translators, these AI tools are continually improving. This opportunity receives a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, we have voiceover impressions, where you either clone your own voice into an AI-generated voice or use a tool like Voice.A to transform your voice into a celebrity impression, such as Morgan Freeman. This can be utilized for various purposes, including starting faceless YouTube channels, performing voiceover impressions, having AI read out books, or offering freelance voiceover services. While AI may not match the quality of a professional voiceover artist, it provides a faster alternative. Setting clear expectations with clients is crucial, and despite potential editing needs, voiceovers are improving continuously. With dedication, this side hustle has the potential to earn at least $3,000 per month, receiving a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next up is podcast show notes, where AI is employed to convert podcast episodes into concise, digestible summaries. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who want to quickly grasp podcast content without investing hours. AI tools like Melville or Descript can efficiently handle this task, enabling the creation of show notes that can be used alongside other services. Combining this with AI tools for making shorts provides a unique service. Opportunities range from small gigs to establishing a comprehensive business. The podcast show notes opportunity receives an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we have resume writing. AI-powered tools such as Resi AI can significantly expedite the process of creating resumes. Although these tools may not produce a perfect resume initially, they can generate about 80% of it, with the remaining details refined using tools like ChatGPT and personal expertise. Specializing in a specific career field is recommended for both the freelancer and the client. This side hustle has immense potential, with examples of individuals earning substantial income by specializing in areas like finance or management consulting. Resume writing receives an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Feel free to comment below if you have a preference among these side hustles, or if there are others you'd like me to explore in the future. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we have creating stock images. AI has advanced to the point where AI-generated images closely resemble real-life images. To capitalize on this, creators can identify popular image searches and assess existing offerings on platforms like Adobe Stock, which allows AI-generated images. Recognizing gaps in the market and filling them with a variety of AI-generated images can be lucrative. Adobe Stock, for instance, offers a 33% royalty, providing a continuous income stream. While each image sold may seem modest, the cumulative effect over time can be significant. This side hustle receives a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. Next, let's discuss prompt engineering, a fascinating area involving crafting specific prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT. Effective prompt engineering enhances AI results, transforming vague ideas into detailed and delightful outcomes. The demand for custom prompts has created opportunities for prompt engineers, with fees ranging from $300 to tens of thousands of dollars. This side hustle is not only suitable for freelancing, but can also lead to lucrative job opportunities. Prompt engineering is currently a high-potential endeavor, earning a 9 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving on, we explore a potentially controversial field: freelance coding with AI. While AI may not cover all coding aspects, it has proven useful for certain tasks. For instance, using AI to create basic websites or apps can be efficient and cost-effective. The key is creativity in identifying tasks where AI can assist. As AI tools evolve, the potential for freelance coding with AI is likely to increase. Currently, this opportunity scores a 7.5 out of 10. Next up is AI graphic design, a field with diverse possibilities, such as designing t-shirts. Platforms like Fiverr showcase individuals earning substantial income using AI art and graphic design. With tools like Midjourney Advanced, creators can offer unique AI-generated designs. The only limitation is one's creativity and imagination. This side hustle receives a 7.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Now, let's delve into AI copywriting. Contrary to skepticism, AI can significantly aid certain types of copywriting, such as transforming long-form copy into engaging tweets. Freelancers offering AI-powered copywriting services can command substantial fees, with examples on platforms like Fiverr charging $75 to $100 per copy. This side hustle is recognized for its potential, earning an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Moving forward, we have writing tweets for famous creators or businesses, commonly known as Twitter ghostwriting. This involves understanding a creator's voice and using AI to generate original tweets based on their preferences. Specializing in a particular niche is crucial for success in this field. Those skilled in Twitter ghostwriting can find ample opportunities, leading to an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. Lastly, a straightforward opportunity accessible to almost anyone is offering a background removal service. This involves using AI or online tools to remove backgrounds from images, catering to needs like creating YouTube thumbnails. Although the longevity of this opportunity is uncertain, it currently presents a viable side hustle. The background removal service scores a 7 out of 10 opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.